Welcome to the Skills USA National Techspo, right here in the Georgia World Congress Center. Here, you'll find teachers, experts, and the nation's top CTE students from each state. Your products and programs will be presented to them through interactive experiences, and with over 12,000 of the nation's top CTE leaders and 200 exhibitors, the Skills USA Techspo serves to form industry connections and develop the leaders of tomorrow.
It is incredible to see those networking opportunities. You see educators standing by educators, all with the same goal in mind, to train the next generation into the successes that they all are going to be.
We've all been able to meet other employers who we've connected with, and we plan on continuing those relationships so that we can include them when we do our mobile workshop tours and potential sponsors.
The baking and pastry industry welcomes you to the Techspo.
Welcome to the Techspo.
Welcome to the Techspo.
Welcome to the Techspo.
Welcome to the Techspo.